izoseka. We're not going to lead ngasemuva, kodwa impi yethu will be running phambili, siyakhona khona la siyakhona. The biggest issue we have seen political parties united under one banner today. And political parties we are fed up and we are not xenophobic, and we do understand that there is people who comply and understand our policies and the foreign and the international law, who make sure which they comply by all means possible. But there is these ones who feels which they will take our country. They will never even listen to the law enforcement. They even undermine the SAPS umthetho wase South Africa. They undermine in umthetho. And the problem now, ukhona ama-leader manje esewame ngapha nangapha ecingweni afuna uku-understand nokukhuluma lento international politics. Now we're not discussing international politics. Now we are discussing into yama South Africans. Yokuthi how is South Africans going to benefit emhlabeni wabo? How is South Africans going to lead in their business sector? Township economy. Ngesivume bafowethu izitolo zonke siphathwe abokufika bafowethu. Ngifuna ukuthi umzila nazi ukuthi sizowugada umzila izodlula la. Akuna Pakistani, akuna Bangladesh, akuna Ethiopia ezofuka la ifukamele yenza ama mafia izobulala ama South Africans. Uma kungenjalo bafowethu, amabutho sowathatha integrate. Amabutho sowathatha integrate. Sibeke isikhwili phansi. Senze sure ukuthi abafowethu baya comply ngokomthetho and request the partnership with SAPS for lento esibiza ukuthi it's an integrated community policing organization, so that we are in law, we are in line with the bylaws. Nokuthi senze lento ye-citizens arrest. Uma amaphoyisa angakwazi ukubopha, thina sikwazi ukuthi sikwazeni, sikwazi ukubopha. Mntakamkhulu, umlando yayikhulumela ngagijima lokulandela sabe khona. Asikaze simbone umuntu uphuma kuma-politician well developed without corruption. Manje thina imbewu yethu esiyihlanyele iyouth siyifundisile ukusebenza. Ama-communities, we have donated to the communities. Kodwa engisho siyathatha abantu lento yama-South Africans ukuthi ayothenga ebantwini bokufika izinto ibiza ukuthi umakhelwane wakho wena olapho la uhleli lokushini uma umchashisele, take responsibility as the landlord yokuthi kwabani lapho isibongo kulelo khaya. Leso store kumele sibe nomnikazi waso, i-contain ibhalo ukuthi kwambatha lapho, sizokwazi ukuthi size kwambatha, kuzokwazi kuba ne-traceability. Ama-invoice masifika thina esitolo kumele sifike sithole ama-invoice abhale ukuthi kwambatha la ekhaya, ngoba sizohamba siye kuwo wonke lama-shop sifike sithi kwabani la anithezele bafowethu anike niyithophe. Uma sifika indoda yaseBangladesh ingakwazi ukuyithopha, so thimela ngaphandle ukhona umfana omdala wala ekhaya noma intombazane endala la ekhaya ayike ibe ibamba lenkosi. Uyabona, sisaya kumasipala lento sizoyithatha izo-owner ama-South Africans. Lapho we are not apologetic. Ngathi uphelelwe imibuzo nkabi yami ngoba sesiyagadla manje ngoba lento kumele ifike kuma-South Africans ukuthi siphelile isikhathi se-talk show. Siphelile isikhathi sani se-talk show. It's game over bafowethu. And i-South Africa noma i-Gauteng particularly lento yamabutho kuzomele bayi-understand ukuthi lento yobukhosi kuzomele bayi-understand ukuthi iyini. Kuyofanele sibizane so that iy'nsinga singadli ihungu nje sicede ihungu umhlaba ulokhu uhamba. Therefore all the forces, whether politically or religious leaders or whoever, let's unite and be into yodwa sibe imbumba bafowethu sihlangane. Yilawo magama engingawasho mina njengoba shobana. Ngiyayibongela.
comment il se repose sur la
Et merci un peu.